The rapid growth of scientific literature has made it increasingly challenging for epidemiologists to keep pace with sheer volume of published studies. Traditional systematic review methods, while rigorous and are time-consuming and resource-intensive, requiring manual screening of thousands of abstracts and full-text articles. To address this bottleneck, natural language processing or NLP and machine learning are being used to automate literature screening in epidemiology. Techniques such as text classification, named entity recognition, and topic modeling help researchers process unstructured text data for scientific literature. Machine learning models including random forest, gradient boosting, and deep learning have been developed to predict the relevance of studies for systematic reviews. Active learning allows these models to iteratively improve by selecting the most informative articles for manual review. Transfer learning using pre-trained models like BERT further enhances relevant predictions in epidemiological research. Tools such as Ryan, Abstractor, and Robot Reviewer are leading the way by incorporating NLP and machine learning into systematic review process. Recent studies show that these automated tools can reduce the number of studies requiring manual review by up to 50%, while maintaining sensitivities exceeding 95% comparing to manual screening. But there are challenges that still remain. The performance of these models depend on the quality of training data. Further interpretability and biases within models also pose significant concerns. Further research is focused on hybrid approaches where machine learning handles the bulk of the screening and human reviewers refine the results. With more sophisticated algorithms and real-world implementation, automated literature screening in epidemiology is becoming an indispensable tool for researchers. As these technologies evolve, they promise to enable quicker and more comprehensive synthesis of the rapidly expanding scientific literature. Thank you very much for watching. Take care. See you in the next video.